Good afternoon, guys. I hope you're doing well. I know you're doing well because the market is green and everyone's happy when things go up slightly, even though it's been down 30-40% for the last 2 months. However, we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about RWA, real world assets. About a year ago, this flagged up for me, and I said, this is going to be big. I can't wait to invest in it. But now looking at it, I don't know if I'm too excited about it. It seems very boring to me. So I want to unravel it and look through it together with you just to see if there's actually opportunity. You might find things in this video that you might say, I want to invest in that. I never knew about that. Now, the first one is this one flags up to me. I don't know what this is. It's the blockchain by somebody, I think, one big institution or something like that. I had a look on their website. It makes no sense to me, these crappy little adapts and apps, and let's just click a random one. It makes no sense to me. Like D stash. Anyway, verifiable proof. How is this RWA? Lock funds on chain. Okay, cool. But there's actually no real way to say, okay, I've got a Pokemon card. I want to bring it on chain and sell little bits of it. That's what I thought RWA was. Now, if we take a deeper look at RWA as itself, the main thing it actually is US debt, US treasuries, which is basically stable coins. Some commodities, but that's mainly made up of gold. So Tether backed gold on Ethereum. There isn't really too much out there. And if we look at, total value locked, Ethereum is leading the way, BNB, and then Solana. Avax have a massive, I think they have one real estate deal in the US that's really doing well for them. But it doesn't seem like much is on chain. If we have a look, we got BlackRock's build portfolio, which is just made up of crypto basically. And we've got Tether Gold, then we've got Tether Paxos Gold, which is a stablecoin issuer as well. We got Syrup USDC, which is pretty good. They buy treasury bills, and if you hold it, you end up owning the asset itself. I don't know if you, I've had it on Solana, but I didn't receive anything. So basically, these guys keep all of the yield, and these guys share the yield. We got Circle, and then we got whatever the hell this is. Basically, they're probably just buying all of these. So there's nothing spectacular. However, the growth is phenomenal. You must have a look. Even in the market downturn, it didn't really sink too much. The TVL is growing. Money is flowing there no matter what it looks like. So you must position yourself. Personally, I can't see anything worth investing in at the moment. We've got commodities, gold basically. That might be something you might want to buy on the blockchain. Tether Gold, it's on Ethereum, so you might want to buy it somewhere else. Paxos Gold, I think they're on Ethereum only. So Solana is trying to do stuff like X stocks, and that's the only thing really I can see doing well or somewhat viable in the sense that buying real estate on the blockchain, getting 9% a year, if that company goes under, I lose all my money. It's not really feasible for me at the moment. I can't see it. Wisdom Tree, I think I have a stock in Wisdom Tree. But that being said, the only thing I can actually think of is actually buying stocks on the blockchain, yield farming them so I can get a yield. That's the only thing. But again, liquidity is quite thin on these guys. So let me know what you think about RWA. If it's worth investing, have I missed something? Is one of the key questions I want to throw out there. And is it just stable coins?